Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be talking about Google Drive File Stream. Well, let's go ahead and get started. I'll start off by saying that on your school computers at Heartland Schools, you probably already have Google Drive File Stream installed to your desktops. I am going to take you through the process of downloading and installing Google Drive File Stream because you may want to do this on your home computers. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser. I'm choosing Google Chrome. And then I'm going to browse to drive.google.com. At this point in time, unless you're already logged in to your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. I'm going to select my school account, my school password, and I'm going to click Next to log in. Once logged in to my Google Drive, I'm going to find the gear icon or the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner and click on it. Then I'll go down to Get Drive for Desktop, and I'll click on that. This will take me to a website where I can scroll down and find the link to download and install Drive File Stream. Clicking on that link opens up the option for two buttons. One is to download for Windows and one to download for Mac. I'm running a Windows computer, so I'm going to choose that button, but if you're running a Mac, clearly you should choose Download for Mac. I'm getting prompted to choose the location where I want the Drive File Stream installer file to go, so I'm going to select my Downloads folder and click Save. Once Drive File Stream has been successfully downloaded to your computer, if you're running Google Chrome, it will appear in the lower left-hand corner. You can go ahead and click on that. If you're running Firefox, it will appear in a slightly different location, but no matter what, you can always get to it by opening up your Windows File Explorer, going to your Downloads folder, and finding the file Google Drive File Stream, and double-click on it. Then I'll simply follow the prompts to install the file. I prefer not to have desktop shortcuts to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, but that's just a personal preference, and I also don't add the application shortcut to my desktop. But again, that's personal preference. You're welcome to do so if that's what you'd like. Once Google Drive File Stream has installed to your computer, you'll be prompted with a sign-in window. For those of you who already have Drive File Stream loaded on your computer, you can search for it by clicking on the Start button in the lower left-hand corner and type Drive. Drive File Stream should pop up. You can go ahead and click on that link. At this point, you'll see a window pop up that prompts you to sign in to Google. If, however, you click on Drive File Stream and you get a message at the bottom that says Google Drive File Stream is already running, well, click OK, and then click on this little caret icon to show hidden icons in your sys tray and find the little Google Drive File Stream app. You can then click on it down there and click on Sign In. At this point, simply type your Google user ID, click Next, type the letters you see in the CAPTCHA, and then type your password. In my case, I have two-step verification turned on, so I'll have to authorize using my phone, and then I'll be logged into Google Drive File Stream. Now at this point, you can double-click on your My Computer icon or select the Window E key on your keyboard to bring up File Explorer, and then scroll down on the left-hand side and you'll see a link to Google Drive File Stream, and it should be your G drive. Clicking on that icon will bring up both your Google Drive as well as your Google Shared Drive file folders. You now have direct access to everything in your Google Drive right from your My Computer or your File Explorer applications on your desktop. You also have access to all of the shared drives that you have within Google right from your desktop. Google Drive File Stream makes it very easy for you to drag and drop files into your Google Drive. For example, I'm going to double-click into my drive, and I want to take this Basics of Theater file up here, and I want to place that into my Drama Club folder in my Google Drive. Drama Club folder is right down here. To do that, I simply have to click on the Basics of Theater file and drag it and drop it right into the Drama Club folder. That makes a copy of the file, the Basics of Theater, in the Drama Club folder. You can do this with any file or folder and drop it directly into your drive or into one of your shared drives that you have access to. One of the best things about Google Drive File Stream is being able to have access to your files while offline. If you know you're going to be in a location where you won't have access to the internet, you can make any one of your files or folders, or all of them, available offline. For example, I'm going to double-click into my drive, and I'm going to find my Ad Staff folder, and I'm going to right-click on that folder and go down to where it says Drive File Stream, and then I'm going to click Available Offline. Making my Ad Staff folder available offline means that if I don't have access to the internet at any point in time, I will still have access to all of the files that are contained within the Ad Staff folder. I do want to provide a word of caution. You may not want to make everything in your entire Google Drive available offline. Depending upon the size of the files that you have in your Google Drive, you might actually overload your computer if you don't have a large enough hard drive. So I would suggest that you select the files very carefully that you want to have available offline. Be strategic about it. Well, that's it. You've got Google Drive File Stream loaded on your computer, and you have access to both your drive as well as your shared drives directly from the desktop. I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope you have a great day.